Previously, we've built a basic terminal-based chatbot with Ruby. Now, we're gonna focus on prompt templates. Prompt templates in Langchain.rb are game changers. They allow you to create dynamic and flexible prompts with placeholders, which can be filled with user inputs or other data at runtime. This adaptability is critical in prompt engineering, where the goal is to elicit the most accurate and relevant response from an AI model. Prompt engineering is the art of crafting prompts to guide an AI model to provide the desired output. The way you phrase the prompt can significantly impact the model's response. Prompt templates offer a way to try different phrasings and structures without hard coding every possible prompt. Let's try to imagine building a chatbot that explains to preschoolers a profession and the skills they need to be successful in that profession.
Our first step is to create a profession_RB. This is where we will write all our Ruby code. We then require the necessary libraries, OpenAI and Langchain. We set the logger level of Langchain to info. It's not a required step, but it's always good to know what happens in the background. The next step is to initialize a new Langchain LLM OpenAI object. This object is used to interact with OpenAI's API. You need to provide your API key and other options. LLM_options is an empty hash here, but it can be used to pass additional options. Default_options sets the default language model to GPT-4 for chat completions. We create a new conversation object. This object will manage the conversation flow using the OpenAI model. Next is to create a new prompt template object. This template has a placeholder profession that can be filled in. Input_variables defines the placeholder expected in the template. We then prompt the user for the profession. The last step is to format the prompt template with the user's input and send the message to the OpenAI model. The response from the model is then printed out on the terminal. Time to test out our code. Let's try teacher. Now this is the response of the OpenAI model to our question regarding teacher. Now let's try another profession.
engineer. Now you can see the result of OpenAI's response to our query.